Our water lines currently have a very low pressure, so I decided to get a power sprayer, which I will use for cleaning the garage floor and washing my car, among others. I came across the Kawasaki Power Sprayer, and it seemed like a good deal for its price at 2,800 pesos. So in this video, I'm gonna do an unboxing, assembly testing, and review based on how I use it. So let's get started. Inside the box we have the user's manual, and at the back is the pin for cleaning the nozzle. Then we have the water hose, and next is the high pressure hose. And these are the fittings that connects the water hose to the water faucet. This is the adjustable nozzle, and this is the actual power washer unit. Onto the specs. So the unit runs in 220 or 240 volts. It has a 1200 watts power input. Rated pressure is at 70 bar. Max pressure is at 100 bar. Inside the plastic bag we have the hose and the nozzle for the detergent bottle. We also have the water inlet connectors. Okay, let's move on to the assembly. First, let's detach the spray gun by pressing the switch at the bottom. Then connect the nozzle to the spray gun. Now plug the other end of the pressure hose to the sprayer unit, and the other end should go to the spray gun. Now connect the water inlet fitting to the water hose. Do this on both sides. Now connect one end to the power sprayer, and the other end should go to your water faucet. Now connect the hose to the detergent bottle cover nozzle, then put it in the detergent bottle. Overall, the item is okay for its price. Pressure is strong enough to remove dirt. The only drawback I have seen so far is that the pressure hose that came with it is a little bit short, especially for washing your car. If you put the unit in front of the car, you won't reach the back, so you'll have to move it. But then again, you can always buy a longer hose. And that's it for this video. Hope I was able to help you in any way. Thanks for watching.